Dear students, as you know in maths we have started chapter 9 measurement of mass or weight. Today I am going to discuss some introductory notes which are going to help you understand the concept of weight. What is weight? It is measure of how light or heavy an object is. Weight in Hindi means वजन. कोई भी चीज़ कितनी भारी या हल्की है इसका पता हमें उसके वज़न से चलता है. और हम वज़न कैसे नापते हैं? वी यूज़ स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट्स टू मेजर weight. The standard units of weights are kilogram, also written as kgs, and gram, also written as gram. So हम किसी भी चीज़ का वज़न नापते हैं उनके स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट्स में, किलोग्राम्स और grams में. We can measure the weights of our body, fruits, vegetables, grocery items like rice, sugar, salt, etc. Also, various other items like books, boxes, big sack of wheat, pulses, and other heavier objects. Okay? Various machine and tools are used to measure weight. One is beam balance, also called beam scale. Second is electric or digital scale, which is widely used nowadays. I am going to show you the picture of a beam balance as well as the electric and digital scale, which are used to measure the weight. As I told you children that we can measure our body weight and the weight of other items. So you can see in this picture on the right side a person is standing on the scale and trying to measure his or her body weight. Towards the left in the picture you can see that a scale is used to measure the weight of various fruits. Children, this is a beam balance, okay? It is widely used by the shopkeepers and greengrocers and fruit sellers, okay? It has got two pans. On one pans we put the weights which you can see given below. These are made of iron, okay? Each weight has the denomination or the value written on them. Like here I have shown you three values. 500 grams, 1 kilogram and 2 kilos. So on one pan we put the weight. On the other pan we put the item which we have to measure. Okay, like fruits, vegetables, etc. And when both the pans are balanced, that means the weight of the items is equal to the weight on the pan. Okay. Children, this is an electric scale or digital scale. Okay, these are widely used nowadays because it is very easy to measure the weights in them as they show you the weight very easily, just like a clock shows you the time. That is why they are also called the digital scale. Children, in this picture you can see that bananas are being weighed. Okay, the weight of the banana is shown on the scale below. There is an indicator or a pointer just like a minute hand which is indicating towards the number. Okay, and that number is the weight of the bananas. So children, I hope that the concept of weight, the standard units and the instruments or tools used to measure the weight is clear to you. Thank you.